Hello everybody. Today I will be showing you how to do the Chapter 7 practice test. It's not difficult by any means, trust me. There is going to be a lot of math involved, so stay with me. Things you will need: a Texas instrument such as a TI-84 or TI-84 plus CE in my case. You're also going to need some math formulas from 7.1. And I forgot to mention, this is probability and statistics. You're also going to need paper and a pencil. In my case, I have a little board because we're cool. Okay. To start off, I like writing down my numbers. We have 400, 364, 90%. Out of 400 people sampled, 364 kids. Based on this, construct a 90% confidence interval for the true population proportion of people with kids. Give your answer as decimals in 3 places. Well, first, what's the math formula for this? The math formula, let me tell you right now, is P of hat plus R minus E. So we need to figure out what this guy is and what that guy is. Luckily, this is easy. To find what P is, we take our small portion divided by the total out of 400 people sampled. That's our total, or N. So in this case, N is 400. 364 had kids. That would be our percentage, I guess you could say, or how much we have. So 364 is 64 is has in 90%. All right, we have everything we need to solve this now. Let's start with P hat. Well, P hat is 364 divided by 400. Your has, or your part, divided by N, or total. That will give you, let's open calculator. Okay. 364 divided by 400 is 0.91. 91 is P of hat, or P hat. Cool, we have P hat. I'm pretty sure for this formula we need to find, we need to find the opposite. How to find Q. Q hat. Well, Q hat can be found just by taking 1 minus 0.91, which in this case is 0.08. Cool. We have that value. How do we use it though? Don't even worry about it. I'll show you pretty soon. Now our E. What is E? Well, E is a math formula. It's a lot, trust me. The z-score, this is called alpha divided by 2 times the square root of P of hat times Q of hat divided by N. So we already have Q, we already have P, we have our N. And what is this guy? The z-score. Well, remember that 90%? Yep, that's what we're going to turn it into. We're going to turn the 90% into a z-score. So the 90% is a bell-shaped curve. All of this would be considered 90%. What we want to know are these lines. What are those numbers? Well, first we need to find this area, which is also this area, and then we plug into our calculator. To find that area, we take 1 minus our percentage. If you turn 90% to a decimal, you're left with 0.9. Is 0.1. Cool. That 0.1 gives us the area of this and the area of that. But we only need the value of 1. So we'll divide by 2. And we're left with that. Cool. You're going to open your calculator. Click second. Vars. Go down to number 3 and INVNORM. 0.0501 left or right if you have a TI-84 plus CE calculator, and press enter. Enter again. you're going to get a negative number. It doesn't mean really anything. Well, that negative number is this value. And if you do it to the right, which some calculators allow you to, you get this value. Same exact thing. Okay, cool. So this guy is 1.645. Nice. We have everything we need now. So we have 1.645 times the square root of p hat, which is 0.91 times 0.08 divided by n, which is 400. If you're going to plug it into your calculator, I would do something like this. An extra set of parentheses. Just in case. You can never be too sure. Alright, I'll plug that in real quick. And our answer is 0.02219. I'm just kidding. That's our E. Cool. Now we can solve the actual problem. Did I write the formula anywhere? Does not look like it. Cool. Our actual formula is P of hat plus or minus E. Well, we have P of hat, and we just found for E. This guy's E. Whoops, right there. Cool. So let's write it down. 0.91 plus or minus 0.02219. Pretty easy. Let me plug into the calculator. 0.91, we'll start with minus 0.02219, and we get 0.88781, comma, so on the positive value. All we do is change that negative to a positive, and we're left with 0.93219. Let's see if I'm correct. And I said our answer was point. It wants 3 decimals, so 888. This one is 0.932. Whoops, 0.932. Amazing. Next, same exact thing. Cannot stress this enough. I'm gonna go by a lot faster this time though, because same exact process. Why not, right? Okay, so we have 430 as our N, 357 as our has. I just call it has, it's a personal thing. And 99%. Amazing. Let's get doing some math here. Well, 357 divided by 430 is 357 divided by 430. Let's say 0.83. 0.83 is our p hat. You subtract 1, you're going to get 0.17, which is your q hat. 99%. So do 1 minus 0.99 equals 0.01 divided by 2 is 0.005. You plug that into your calculator. 0.005. And you're left with 2.576. Cool.